Hello everyone!
Welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Today we have some exciting news for all the crypto enthusiasts out there. MetaMask has partnered with Mastercard and Baanx to launch the MetaMask Card, a debit card that allows users to spend their cryptocurrency seamlessly on everyday purchases. This innovative solution bridges the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, making it easier for users to integrate crypto into their daily lives.
Let's dive into the details.
MetaMask, a popular cryptocurrency wallet provider, has teamed up with Mastercard and Baanx to introduce the MetaMask Card. This debit card enables users to spend their crypto holdings directly from their self-custodial MetaMask wallet anywhere Mastercard is accepted. The pilot program was announced earlier today, and it's already generating a lot of excitement in the crypto community. One of the key advantages of the MetaMask Card is its ability to eliminate the complex process of converting crypto to fiat currency. According to Consensus, the developer behind MetaMask, this has been a significant hurdle in the widespread adoption of digital assets. With this new card, users can directly spend their crypto holdings without needing to go through the hassle of transferring to fiat first. Raj Damodaran, Executive Vice President of Blockchain and Digital Assets at Mastercard, emphasized their commitment to making life easier for self-custodial wallet users. He stated, "By partnering with MetaMask and Baanx, we're bringing crypto closer to everyday spending." This streamlined approach seeks to remove a major barrier to mainstream crypto adoption. To use the MetaMask Card, users can set spending limits on their MetaMask wallet. Crypto is instantly converted to fiat at the point of sale, ensuring users have control over their funds until the transaction occurs. It's important to note that users must hold their crypto on the Linea network to use the card. The collaboration leverages the combined expertise of Mastercard's extensive payment network, MetaMask's secure wallet platform, and Baanx's proficiency in card programs and technology. Additionally, the Linea network provides the underlying infrastructure, offering speed and efficiency. Initially, the MetaMask Card will have a limited rollout in the European Union, EU, and the United Kingdom, UK. This digital-only card will be available to a select number of users, with plans to expand its availability and introduce additional features in the coming months. The card will support widely used cryptocurrencies such as USDC, USDT, and ETH. MetaMask users can check their eligibility for the card by visiting MetaMask Portfolio through a web browser and navigating to the Card tab. That's all for today's update on the MetaMask Card. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in the crypto and stock markets. Remember, this is not financial advice, so always make sure to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.